Now we are here at Yesvantpur railway station, and within 10 to 15 minutes our train will start. You can listen the bell. Wow! Wow! Just now we have reached Kharagpur junction. It is famous for Kharagpur IIT, and it is one of the biggest station in India, I can say. In West Bengal, it comes in West Bengal, Mednipur, right? Mednipur. It is in Mednipur. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Andani blog. Last week I came to Bangalore for taking my graduation certificate, all college degree certificate and everything all, and to attend the graduation celebration, and hopefully everything was good, enjoyed a lot, and today going back home. So let's enjoy the blog till the end. Thank you. Yesvantpur Howrah Superfast Express. Actually was planning to go in Duronto Express, but seat is not available in Duronto. Now we are here at Yesvantpur railway station, and within 10 to 15 minutes our train will start. You can listen the bell. Approx 32 to 33 hours it will take to reach Howrah, approx 2000 kilometers. बैंगलोर से ये ट्रेन का ऑफिशियल टाइम है 10:15 AM, और नेक्स्ट डे को पहुंचता है हावड़ा में आपका 7:40, नेक्स्ट डे इवनिंग 7:40 को आपका राइट टाइम में पहुंच जाता है आप. Just now we have reached Visakhapatnam junction, and it is in Andhra Pradesh, and we covered till now 1080 kilometers. Train stopped here for 5 minutes, and I started making vlogs in meanwhile. From Yesvantpur, everyday train is available like 10:15. This time I booked sleeper class ticket, and train will start within 1 to 2 minutes. Last week ongoing time in Bangalore, we booked Howrah MSA Express in second AC. वाह, चलो ठीक। Just now we have reached Kharagpur Junction. It is famous for Kharagpur IIT, and it is one of the biggest station in India, I can say. In West Bengal, it comes in West Bengal, Mednipur, right? Mednipur. It is in Mednipur, and and we are now close to Howrah Station. Howrah Station, it is like 100 kilometers. In 1.5 hours, we'll reach Howrah Station. Yeah.
Hey, lebu chai, lal chai, lebu chai, lebu chai.
बैंगलोर जाने के टाइम में हमने हावड़ा एमएएस सुपरफास्ट एक्सप्रेस ने बुक किया था टिकट। सेकंड एसी में था वो, वो चेन्नई जाता है डायरेक्ट ट्रेन, चेन्नई सेंट्रल। सो हावड़ा एमएएस सुपरफास्ट एक्सप्रेस